So let me show you how to change sound mode on your Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. So open up the case so that they connect to your phone, and then go to the Soundcore app, and then go to the Liberty 5s. Okay, so from the Soundcore app, just select your Liberty 5s. You can see they're connected. And now to change the sound mode from either normal, so this will just act like normal earbuds. And then if you want to enable a noise cancellation, that's where you turn it on from. And also you can turn on transparency mode from here. Now, when you turn on noise cancellation, for instance, you have modes. So basically you can adjust the level of noise cancellation from 1 to 5. Okay, 5 being the highest level of noise cancellation, which will attempt to cancel as much noise as possible. Now you can also set it to automatic so that when you're in a plane or when you're in a car, it just determines how much of noise to cancel. But I prefer manual mode for myself. Anyway, going back, you can see in noise cancellation mode, you also have the wind noise reduction. So you can turn that on and off from here. Then you have normal mode, which has nothing but normal mode. And then you have transparency mode, which also has the wind noise reduction feature, which you can turn off and on. So that is basically how to change the sound mode on your Liberty 5 Soundcore earbuds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.